We're discovering just how big of a friend founder Sam Bankman-Fried has been to the Democrats. Now, we did some digging, and in the midterm elections alone, he gave nearly $40 million. 92% of those funds went to Democratic candidates or left-wing groups. Now, the majority of his donations went to the Protect Our Future PAC, as well as Guarding Against Pandemics. That's a PAC he founded that's now run by his brother. In addition, Bankman-Fried endorsed 25 Democrats in congressional races this cycle. The donations that are particularly raising eyes, though, are those made to New York Senator Kirsten Gillibrand. She sponsored a bill to put the Commodity Futures Trading Commission at the helm of regulating the crypto market, sidelining the SEC. That would deliver a big win for the industry, since SEC Chair Gary Gensler has taken an aggressive stance towards crypto. Now, Bankman-Fried styled himself the crypto regulatory champion, reportedly meeting frequently with White House officials, but critics are now questioning how much of that influence was due to the money he funneled towards FTX-friendly